Hello to you guys. Ako si Echo. And this will be vlog 1 for week 1 of my CVAP journey. So, what can I say about week 1? Well, along with sa orientation, medyo overwhelming na para sa akin. First of all, it was super nice to get to know the other voice mates. Nakilala ko na rin sila. And ang galing na agad. Nabikani agad ako sa ganda ng boses nila sa session and sa orientation. Nakilala ko yung iba a little bit about their lives, about how they got into the program. And after all that, ang dami kong natutunan din sa lessons and overwhelming yung mga bago ko natutunan kasi bago siya sa akin. And ang dami actually. Talagang sinusulit talaga yung oras namin since 6 days or 6 weeks lang yung sessions. But I think it'll be worth it. And the fact na maraming exercises was also the reason why pakiramdam ko medyo overwhelming. But I'm still looking forward to it. For week 1, ang instructors namin ay si Sir Navi Garcia and si Doc Oni. So, si Sir Navi yung nauna sa sessions and he was the one who taught about the popular culture ng voice industry. And he also busted yung mga popular myths na madalas ko narinig towards the industry, lalo na yung mga narinig ko or nabasa ko sa ebook ni Sir Pocholo. Like yung mga, di porket magaling ka kumanta, dapat maganda na rin boses mo, pwede ka mag-streamer, pwede ka mag-DJ or what. Besides that, nag-share din siya about his personal life and it was very inspiring and ang dami niyang na-share and I couldn't possibly know what he was feeling at those moments, but I like to think na I have challenges of my own. As well as other people din siguro na hindi alam ng iba. And also, Sir Navi was the one na nag-mention about voice branding. Branding in general, alam ko siya when I was in college. We got to learn about paano gumawa ng branding for businesses, for your own, for a creative ganun. Kasi in the creative industry, like in detail, kailangan mo alamin kung what exactly do you sell, ano yung bagay na binibenta mo, what makes you unique, different from other competitors na kailangan. I didn't realize it, but voice branding actually made sense kasi binabrand mo yung voice mo. Dapat may sarili kang boses para ma-distinguish ka. And I think it works. It's interesting to see that branding also applies to the voice industry. For Doc Oni naman, her session was so engaging. Sobrang saya ng energy niya. Ang taas ng energy. And nakakatuwa yung session na ginawa namin sa kanya. She taught us how to take care or properly take care of our voice and tips for better care management. Besides that, nag-tongue twisters din kami and sample voice lines na ginawa niya before or yung mga different kinds of voice lines or artist examples na pwedeng gawin sa industry. Halos lahat ng kaming mga voice mates naka-sample and it was so cool to hear them. Ako nakagawa ko ng tongue twister and it was a little scary. It was still an engaging experience. Nakakatuwa actually. I was still scared, not because na ako yung pinili, pero it was a spur of the moment. Hindi ko talaga alam yung mangyayari, kaya natakot talaga ako nung biglang, okay, so gagawin mo tong tongue twister na to 5 times and kailangan umarte kang takot. Kaya yun yung kailangan ko pag-isipan pa, kaya ako natakot. But it was still fun actually. Week 1 was very thought-provoking. Napakadaming natutunan agad and daming na-practice din. I also want to thank the marshals din kasi kailangan ko talaga ng assist lalo na sa mga exercises. Kasi na-confuse ako a little bit sa mga kailangan gawin or kung anong kailangan i-submit. So, and kailangan ko lang ng clarifications nun. So, salamat sa kanila. And I hope na for the next coming weeks na engaging din mga instructors, marami ding matututunan. Whether it be any kind of topic, I hope I could learn something from them too.